This is Ujjwal Kumar Sen, and in this video tutorial you are going to learn about how to find out inverse of matrix. And the same question you can see right now. This question has been asked in GATE previous year paper. So definitely I will share with you step-by-step guide to find out inverse of the matrix, right? So let's go for it. So here the matrix we have given, that is 3 by 3 matrix, right? Now we know that inverse of matrix is this is R, so and adjoint of R. If we have given matrix R, then inverse of the matrix R is equal to this. So this is the, this is a simple rule, I think so. Not I think, this is the rule exactly to find out inverse matrix of any matrix given in the question, right? So probably this question would be a little bit lengthy, so don't worry about that. And definitely I'm going to share with you each and every step simple way, right? So first of all we have to find out its determinant. Determinant of this matrix, that is 1 0 minus 1 2 1 minus 1 2 3 2. Okay, so for finding out determinant, what we have to do, we have to choose this line like this, then 1 2 multiple 1 minus 1 multiple 3. First plus is there, minus sign, 0, what would be value here, 0, so this one should be hide, and this one is multiple, 2 multiple 2 minus 1 multiple 2, again plus minus 1 bracket start, so this one should be hide, this one we want to do multiplication in between these two, so 2 multiple 3 minus 2 multiple 1. So what we got values here, 2 plus 3 minus 0 minus 1 here, so 6 minus 2 4, so 5 minus 1 here, it's 4, so 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. That means determinant of R is equal to 1. Okay, so here we can say this, that its inverse would be adjoint of this R matrix, right? So now we need another page. Okay, so for finding out adjoint, we have to find out cofactor. Adjoint of R, cofactor, its transpose we have to find out. Okay, so it's transpose, let's say T, capital T. Okay, now we have to find out cofactors of R matrix. So what matrix we have given? Matrix R. It's 1 2 2 0 minus 1 1 minus 1 3 2. Yeah, one more thing, if you are just understanding this, after understanding this problem, this maths, just go and solve the same problem, and definitely it will help you. And if you will not solve by yourself, probably you will face problem while doing it, because it requires lot of concepts to solve this problem, right? So for finding out cofactors, we have to remember a name. A11 is this part, this one is A11, right? So 1 3 minus 1 2. Now A12 is what? A12 is here, this one and this one, so 2 2 minus 1 2. Now A13 is what? This one and this one, 2 2 1 3. Now let's move the next one, 2 1 0 3 minus 1 2. We have to, you need to understand the pattern, 1 2 minus 1 2, and then 2 3 is 1 2 0 3, right? Now let's move to the next one, that is A31 0 1 minus 1 minus 1 0 1 minus 1 minus 1. A32 2 1 2 minus 1 minus 1, and A33 1 2 0 1. We'll find out determinant of it. So 2 plus 3 is 5, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 minus 2 is 4. We'll go come here. Okay, let me use another color marker. So it's 3, it's 2 plus 2 4, it's 3. Here 1 and then again I think it's -1 plus 1, again it's alright. So what we have to do, we have to do calculation here also. Say it's -1 and plus 2, so definitely it's 1, and here 1, it's 1 only, because 1 minus 0 so that's 1, right? So this is how we have find out right now cofactors of it. Now as I have shared with you, the formula for finding out adjoint of R is equal to cofactor of R its transpose. Now here one other concept we have to follow, probably you have studied, or I don't know you have studied or not, that is plus minus plus, minus plus minus, plus minus plus. You have to follow this rule to make cofactor of R. Okay, just follow this 1 1 1 pattern you have to follow, that is plus minus plus. So plus 5 minus 6 and the answer is 4 plus, right? Now minus 3 and then plus 4 and 3 minus 3, then plus 1 minus 1 and plus 1. Got it? So the pattern we have followed to find out the cofactor, that is here plus minus plus, minus plus minus, plus minus plus. So this is a good concept. I mean, don't forget this one. If you forget this one, then what's the use of learning all those things? Well, finding out inverse of matrix is not that much simple. I mean, if you are beginner, if you are not beginner, then it's simple. Everything is simple. Yes, I will share with you, I will definitely tell you one thing. If you wanted to become familiar in this, then you have to solve a lot of problems. This is really, this is really needed. I mean it. I mean it. If you are, the thing about it, how many things we have gone through till now, 5 to 6 things, right? So if you wanted to learn inverse of matrix, then you have to, after grabbing all concept, I mean finding out all things, 9 things we have find out from this table only. If you will not practice, then definitely you are going to make mistake here only. And in matrix, it's not I'm saying that from anywhere, I'm saying from my analysis, my 5 years of experience in teaching, that most of the students, those don't practice matrix, question from matrix, they most of the time they make mistake here. So that's why you will not make any mistake in this phase. I'm sharing with you, practice few problems and try to understand the pattern to solve the problem with maintaining accuracy. Okay, so let's move. So what is the main formula here? That is, to find out adjoint of R, we have to find out cofactor of R its transpose. So we have find out its cofactor is here. Okay, now we have to find out its transpose. I have already shared with you what is transpose basically. Now let's say CO for cofactor of R, its transpose is equal to 5 minus 6 4 minus 3 4 minus 3 1 minus 1. Okay, its transpose is here. So it's 5. I mean, what is the meaning of transpose? Rows converted into column. I mean, we have to make that into column, and column will automatically then become row. Okay, so 5 minus 6 4 minus 3 4 minus 3, all column. This is the column we are converting into row. This is a column we are converting into row, and this is the column we are converting into row. So this is the transpose of the cofactor, and this is known as adjoint of R, right? Got it? Now we know that R inverse is adjoint of R divided by its determinant. Its determinant is 1, therefore its adjoint of R would be the right answer. We can write this one, 5 minus 3 1 minus 6 4 minus 1 4 minus 3 1, right? Now see the options we have given in that question. I have to share with you. The option D is the right answer here. Okay, so option D is the right answer. So let me revise a little bit, that's why you have something. So what we required first, this formula we required, right? Then we have to find out determinant of this matrix, then we have to find out adjoint. For finding out adjoint, we need to understand the concept of cofactor, and of course transpose, and of course that pattern I have shared with you, plus minus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. You have to make matrix of cofactor, by following this pattern, because this is also important. After then just you have to put values and a little bit calculation required for finding out inverse of matrix. Okay, so this is all about the question, and this question has been already asked in GATE. I have told you. So I hope understand the question. Thanks for watching. See you soon in my next video. Bye bye.